Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for the best insights on top-performing home appliances. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse performer and our top pick for large spaces, the Waykar 80 Pints 2025 Energy Star Dehumidifier. This unit stands out as the best dehumidifier for large capacity use in basements and homes, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. Let's begin with its core capabilities. The Waykar dehumidifier is built to handle large areas up to 5,000 square feet, and it can remove up to 80 pints of moisture per day under extreme conditions. That's 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 90% relative humidity. This makes it ideal for basements, large rooms, offices, laundry areas, or even crawl spaces. Whether you're dealing with persistent humidity, musty odors, or mold risk, this machine is designed to keep your environment dry and healthy. Now, let's talk design and usability. The unit features a sleek, modern white body and compact dimensions, just under 10 inches deep, around 13 inches wide, and a little under 22 inches tall. It weighs just over 31 pounds, and thanks to the smooth caster wheels, moving it from room to room is super easy. This portability is a major plus when you want to dehumidify different areas of your home on different days. Moving on to the smart features. The Waykar comes with an intuitive touch control panel that gives you complete command over its functions. It displays current humidity levels and lets you set your desired humidity anywhere between 30% to 80%. Once set, the dehumidifier uses sensors to automatically adjust operation to maintain the level you choose. It even includes a 24-hour timer so you can run it on your schedule, not the other way around. And yes, it's Energy Star certified for 2025. Meaning it's efficient and won't spike your electric bill. Now here's something you'll appreciate, its quiet operation. The unit is engineered for low noise output, making it suitable for bedrooms or home offices where silence matters. The oscillating fan helps circulate air efficiently and speeds up the drying process without being intrusive. So, you can sleep, work, or relax with the machine running quietly in the background. In terms of drainage, you get two hassle-free options. You can use the built-in 1.14-gallon water tank for manual emptying, or go with the continuous drain option using the included 3.3-foot hose. This gives you complete flexibility depending on where you're using the unit. For those who don't want to check the tank every day, the continuous drain option is a game-changer. Just remember to tighten the valve if you're using the tank to avoid leakage. Another small but significant feature is the removable and washable filter. This ensures the air coming out is clean, while also extending the life of the unit. Routine maintenance is straightforward and helps keep your indoor air quality top-notch. Finally, Waykar stands behind their product with a solid warranty package. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and even a 2nd-year warranty extension, all backed by lifetime tech support. That's the kind of long-term support you want when investing in a key appliance for your home. To sum it all up, the Waykar 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier offers serious dehumidifying power, smart features, quiet operation, and flexible drainage options, all in a portable, sleek package. If you have a large basement or living area and want reliable humidity control without sacrificing energy efficiency, this is the unit to get. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more unbiased product reviews. Got questions about this unit? Drop them in the comments, we reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and stay dry out there.